This is the iPhone 5C touchscreen digitizer replacement guide brought to you by Repairs Universe. Today we will be using a safe open pry tool, a pendulum screwdriver, a small Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a suction cup. These tools can be purchased individually or as a kit at Repairs Universe. First, make sure the power is turned off the device. Next, we have to use a SIM ejection tool or a paper clip to remove the SIM card tray. On the bottom of the phone near the docking port, we have two pendulum screws that need to be removed. Once the screws are removed, place a suction cup near the bottom of the touchscreen near the home button. With a firm grip, grab the suction cup and the edge of the phone. Pull apart until you create a gap. Use your fingers or a pry tool to enlarge the gap. Slowly pull the two halves apart. Be careful not to tear the flex cables that are still attached to the screen. In order to gain access to the flex cables, we have to remove a small metal cover. The cover is held in place with 4 small Phillips screws. All these screws are of different sizes, so remember their placement as you remove them. Now we have access to the 3 flex cable connectors. Just lift off the pop connections with a spudger. The screen assembly has now been separated from the body of the iPhone. With the screen assembly isolated, we can now remove the top speaker assembly. 2 small Phillips screws hold a bracket that needs to be removed. Remove the bracket, and the speaker can now be easily removed. Next, we will remove the front camera and microphone flex cable assembly using our spudger. Moving on down to the bottom of the screen assembly, we have the home button assembly. 3 small Phillips screws hold it in place. Finally, the home button assembly can be removed using a spudger. Be careful not to damage the flex cable as you remove it. The button itself can be popped out from the outside with a little bit of pressure. Next up, we have to remove the frame from the LCD screen. 5 small Phillips screws hold the frame in place along the edges. Once all the screws have been removed, pry the metal frame off the LCD. The touchscreen assembly is now ready to be replaced. If you found this video useful, please comment and like us below. Check out our Facebook page or follow our Twitter feed for more guides on the latest phones. For more useful guides and tips, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, and thanks for watching.